Hey guys, today we're going to go ahead and smoke ourselves a corned beef. Now, like most smoking, there's a little prep involved, and this one you really have to plan ahead because we need to soak the corned beef overnight for a good at least 8, 9, 10 hours in water just to remove some of that salt because it is a cured meat in a brine solution. We need to remove all that saltiness so we have a nice piece of meat to work with. And then our rub will take and it'll be really tasty. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so our brisket is soaked overnight in the fridge, covered in water. We're actually doing 2 of them. Got a family of 7 that we're feeding today. So it's been soaked overnight. Now the meat's got a little bit of a gray tinge to it. Nothing to be worried about. It's just we've leached all the salt out of it. Now we're going to go ahead and get our rub going. And got our smoker preheating. We're going to go to 275. Okay guys, for the rub, we're going to go ahead and do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, 2 tablespoons coarse ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now we'll get those nice and combined. Smells wonderful. You can smell the paprika and the pepper and a little bit of the coriander. It's going to be really a nice flavor added to this smokiness. And today I think we're going to go ahead and use hickory. I'm on the fence. Might use cherry. I'll let you know when we get there. All right, now we got a nice rub going. Do a good, generous coating. Okay, so I've got one more to do. I'll just do that real quick, and then we'll get them on the smoker. I'm using a Masterbuilt electric, and we've got it preheating to 275. Catch you in a minute. All right, guys, we got our meat on the racks. We're gonna smoke it to 160. And then we're going to go ahead and wrap it. I did put about a cup of water in the juice tray here just to make sure we don't get too dried out. And today I decided we're going to go ahead and use apple for smoking today. So catch you guys in a bit. Now I will tell you, an indispensable thing that I own is my Maverick meat probe. This thing is too cool. We can set it to where we want it, and then it'll actually have a timer alert you when it gets to that temp. So if you don't have one of these, I highly recommend buying it. I picked this up at the Home Depot for like 35 bucks. Best money I ever spent. Okay, y'all, it's temperature is now at 161. Well, we'll set the smoke clear. Temps at 161. And it's time to pull them out and wrap them. Okay, so pulled one out. Gonna go ahead and wrap her up, but looking pretty darn tasty so far. Okay, got it wrapped, got it back in. Do the other one and check back in a bit. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and set our thermometer to alert us at 195. So 195, meat will be really nice and tender. We'll go ahead and pull it out and let it rest for a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and slice it. It's going to be tasty. About another hour, hour and a half, got her to 195. Took it out, let it rest for about the last 45 minutes. It is amazing. Here's one. Looks great. Super fantastic color. I actually took the other one out to slice it. Look at that juice. What an amazing, amazing thing. It's super tender, super juicy, super flavorful. This is what the other one looks like. Alright, I had to take a slice out of her. Actually, I took 5 slices out of her. Shared a bite with everybody, and it was just perfect. Look at that. Just perfectly done. That's going to be amazing sandwiches. We're going to make some Reuben sandwiches today. So fantastic. Y'all got to try this recipe. If I can do it, anybody can. See you in the next one.